think we're gonna walk around this place another 3 or 4 times. It's hard to really take it all in. I mean, there's awesome displays, there's virtual reality things, there's so much to see. Look at this truck. It's got these tracks underneath it, like a damn army tank. I mean, you can imagine it, you can find it here. There's the Ford GT. Back here's the new Shelby. The Raptor trucks. All right, let's see this 700 horsepower dual clutch Shelby. It's got the carbon fiber wheels on it. Crazy attention around it. The front end is beautiful, very aggressive.
This is the GT 500.
I just hope that they offer that with the silver with the black stripes.
We were talking about that Toyota Supra being controversial. This was a controversial car when it came out. The EcoBoost engine. It's beautiful.
Sorry.
No, you're perfectly fine. No, you're good.
He did not step in front of his GoPro.
Stop. You're good. You guys are good. Check out this Ford race car driver. Made from Legos. Beautiful, man. That's incredible. Incredible. Oh, wow. That's a Lego truck. Let's go look at it. That's unreal. How the hell they make that? The lights work and everything. Look. That's just wicked. God. Look at the details on the bumper. Look at the inside with the lights inside there. Look at the bed. How they write things on it. God. I mean, that's just unreal. I don't know if you guys have seen that video of the Bugatti, the Lego Bugatti. That one's special because that one drives. This is probably just a display. It won't move. But the Lego Bugatti, they got it to go like 20-something miles an hour. But even just seeing this in person, it's crazy. People are really talented to be able to do that. My wife and I, we had a 2012 Jeep Wrangler 4-door, and she loved that car. That one looks really cool. It's a beautiful color, and the red interior looks really nice. Wow. Huge upgrade.
I'm here to help you navigate those trails.
Check this out, guys.
With the Gladiator, we will have our award-winning 3.6-liter Pentastar V6.
This one's really nice.
Engine start-stop. With that, you'll have 2 transmission options to choose from, including an efficient 8-speed automatic, and my personal favorite, that 6-speed manual.
I know.
Piece removable Freedom hardtop. With that, we of course have the lightweight removable doors and the front folding windshield, making this the only open-air pickup truck on the market.
That's really nice, guys.
Now let's talk about on our Gladiator, including blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control with full stop, forward collision
don't get you to work your ass off to accomplish all these things. I don't know what will. I'm a huge car enthusiast, and looking at all these cars, makes me want to get home, make a crap load of money, and buy them all.
And right in front of me, you'll see our luxurious Gladiator Overland, and then the top.
Oh, look at the Honda booth. Where the Honda guys at? Anything exciting coming out from Honda? These look like nothing but family sedans, minivans. Now don't get me wrong, that minivan might have more power than the new Supra. They have their side-by-sides here and everything. They're off-road utility vehicles. Oh, here it is, Honda Performance. Here's their Type R. $36,000. The brand new Blazer. After many years, the Blazer has returned. Looks alright. Not really my type of car, but Doesn't look bad. Yeah. All right, so this is my baby's previous car. We had to give it up when we bought our expensive house. We're gonna get another one, baby. You're gonna see.
Like this.
Yeah, our car was identical.
Same interior.
Makes you miss it?
I love this car.
We had this car for like a year and a half. We took a lot of family trips in it. We love this brown interior that we had with the white outside. This is identical. You guys need a chauffeur?
Yes, please. Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Could you? Come on, you're picking us up in a limo. That's how we roll. I had a couple beers in there, but last time I saw the car was smaller now.
It was smaller. Okay, how do I do this?
It's already doing its thing.
Oh, you're just recording
hold
it?
that with one hand and then you can snap pictures with them.
Okay.
Come on.
I took about 6 of them.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're out of the snow for it.
I can't wait to see the inside of this thing. Look at that, they're hooking us up. Wow, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Come on, let's check out this limo. This is beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What? We're doing it big. How do you turn these lights on? Man, they surprised us. When you stay at the MGM Grand, they pick you up and drop you off at the events in limos. Mira, Lani. Hey, aplaude, aplaude.
First limo.
Yes. Hey, your first limo. Yeah, this is cool.
How was it? It was good.
It was beautiful.
I had a good time.
I had to come out here in just a t-shirt and feel for myself how cold it was. With the big jacket, it really covers a lot. But I don't think it's that bad today. Yesterday was our first day in. This is slippery. Yesterday was our first day in, and we came out here for a few minutes, and I went back inside with a migraine, huge headache. My body wasn't cold, but my face, my ears, my nose, and now it's snowing. I think the temperature says like 15 degrees. Yesterday was in the 30s, and yesterday felt way worse than today. Check this out. I'm from Florida, man, so to me, this is freaking awesome. Or at least for a couple of days. I don't know how long I can put up with this for. But there's a lot of snow that has been falling. Yeah, this is beautiful. Detroit's been a very nice city. We had a tour earlier today. They took us around and really showed us. We were actually transported in a limo. It's part of, we stayed at the MGM Grand, somewhere I've always wanted to stay. It's a beautiful hotel. And they had chauffeurs that took us to the Cabo Center for the auto show, and then they brought us back and they showed us around. It's very pretty. But this is completely different than Florida. We haven't seen any sunlight since we've been here. It's completely like gray. All the colors are like dull. But yeah, man, it's something different for us. We're enjoying it. Come on, rocking the merch. This merch is so hot, it keeps you cold. Wait, let me start that again. Check out the new merch. This merch is so hot, it keeps you warm in the winter. Come on, baby. Oh, it's starting to get cold now. Yeah, starting to get goosebumps. Oh, shit. Look at that. Oof, oof, oof. That crap is cold. All right, let's test my luck. I'm not a player. I don't like gambling. Let's put 20 bucks in this thing, see what happens. Oh boy. We're in business now. what that means, but no way I won some money. What? What? I won 100. Hell no. Cash out. No way. I put 20 in. I got out 129. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's how we do it. Yo, you gotta be kidding me. Something told me to stop at that machine and put 20 bucks into it. We're walking out with 129. Erica's not gonna believe this. I told her I was gonna get muffins, and I'm coming back with 100 bucks. Damn, that's pretty cool. Yo, man, that's beginner's luck. Wait till my father-in-law sees this. Him and my mother-in-law, they enjoy going to the casino and playing around for a little bit. That's how I do it, Andy. Less than 5 minutes. 1 minute, $129. Yeah, bro. All right, final day, going to the airport. Today's definitely the coldest. I think it's like in the low teens.
Woo. Yeah, you feel that?
Yeah, it's cold.
No, 0 in the one.
What's the temperature?
I think it's about 8 or 9.
8 or 9. Woo. Oh, yeah.
Detroit.
Been good. Te voy a quitar la meta. Te la quito.